Hi, welcome to the channel NCRT Maths Tutor, Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 5.2, question number 4, 5 and 6 solution. Question number 4, which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? In this question, they have given an arithmetic progression. Also, they have given the nth term of the arithmetic progression. We need to find the value of n here. So, first, let us write the given arithmetic progression. 3, 8, 13, 18. Here, the first term is 3, so a is equal to 3. The common difference is 8 minus 3 or 13 minus 8 gives 5. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is given to us 78. So an, nth term we denote as an is equal to 78. And we need to find the value of n here. So to find the value of n, let us apply the formula. Nth term of the arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, let us substitute the given values. An is 78 is equal to a is 3 plus n minus 1. N value we need to find. So, n minus 1 into d is 5. So, here we get 78 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So, 5n minus 2. Now move this minus 2 to left hand side. So that becomes plus 2. So 78 plus 2 is equal to 5n. 78 plus 2, 80. 80 is equal to 5n. N is equal to 80 divided by 5. So final answer is n is equal to 16. Question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetic progression. First, sub-question 7, 13, 19, 205. In this question, they have given an arithmetic progression. Along with that, they have given the nth term of the arithmetic progression. And we need to find the value of n here. So first of all, let us write the given arithmetic progression 7, 13, 19. Last, that is nth term is 205. Here, the first term a is 7. The common difference d is 13 minus 7 or 19 minus 13 gives 6. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is given to us. An is equal to 205 and we need to find the value of n here. So to find the value of n, we have to use this formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us apply the formula. Here I am substituting the values. An is 205, a is 7 plus n value we need to find. So n minus 1, d is 6. So here we get 205 is equal to 7 plus 6n minus 6. Here you have to multiply the 6 with n minus 1. So we get this. Next, 7 minus 6 is plus 1. So 205 is equal to 6n plus 1. I am taking this 1 to this side, that becomes minus 1. 205 minus 1 is equal to 6n. 204 is equal to 6n. N is equal to 204 divided by 6. So n is equal to 34. Next, second sub question under question number 5. 18, 15 and half, 13 minus 47. Here also we need to find the value of n and also they have given the nth term an of the arithmetic progression. First let us write the given arithmetic progression. Here the first term a is 18. The common difference between the terms 15 and half minus 18. Let us find that 15 and half minus 18 here. This becomes 15 into 2 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 divided by 2 minus 18. Here take the LCM as 2. So we get here 31 minus 2 into 18 is 36. 31 minus 36 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. This minus 5 divided by 2 forms the common difference. Then they have given the nth term an, that is equal to minus 47, and we need to find the value of n. So here we need to use the same formula, nth term of arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here let us substitute the given values. An is minus 47 is equal to a is 18 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 5 by 2. So here we get minus 47 is equal to 18, multiply this minus 5 by 2 to n minus 1. So we get for first here minus 5 by 2 into n, that is minus 5n divided by 2. Then this you have to multiply with this. Here we have minus sign both case. So that becomes plus. So plus 5 by 2. Then minus 47 is equal to, take the LCM as 2. So 2 into 18 is 36 minus 5n plus 5 divided by 2. Next take this 2 to left hand side. So that is multiplied with minus 47. So we have here minus 47 into 2 is equal to 36 plus 5 is 41. So 41 minus 5n. Then minus 47 into 2 is minus 94. Minus 94 is equal to 41 minus 5n. So here we have minus 5n. Take this to left hand side. That becomes plus 5n is equal to, then take minus 94 to right hand side. That becomes plus 94. So 5n is equal to 41 plus 94. So 5n is equal to 135, n is equal to 135 divided by 5. So n is equal to 27. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2. So they have given the term minus 150 and they have given an arithmetic progression. So now we have to check whether this term belongs to this arithmetic progression or not. So how we can check that? So to check that, first we make the assumption that here this term belongs to this arithmetic progression. And then we are applying the formula nth term of arithmetic progression to find the value of n. And for n, if you are getting a positive integer, then that means this term belongs to this arithmetic progression. If you are not getting the n value as a positive integer, then that means this term does not belongs to this arithmetic progression. So based on that, here we are checking. So first let us write the given arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2, and here we are going to use this formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now to start the solution, first of all here we are assuming that this term belongs to this arithmetic progression. So let minus 150 be the nth term of the given arithmetic progression. We are taking this as nth term of this arithmetic progression. That means here we can take after this assumption an is equal to minus 150. Now based on this given arithmetic progression, the first term is a is equal to 11. The common difference is 8 minus 11 or 5 minus 8, that gives minus 3. Then we have taken here the minus 150 as the nth term of given arithmetic progression. So we can write here an is equal to minus 150. Next let us find the value of n. So substitute the given values in this formula. An is minus 150 is equal to a is 11 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Minus 150 is equal to 11 minus 3n, minus minus plus, so plus 3. Minus 150 is equal to 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 minus 3n. Take this minus 3n to this side and minus 150 to right hand side. So we have here this becomes plus 3n is equal to 14 plus 150. This have taken to this side. So 14 plus 150. So 3n is equal to 164. N is equal to 164 divided by 3. N is equal to 54.6. See, we we are finding the value of n, and to say that this term belongs to this arithmetic progression, we have to get n value as a positive integer. But in this case, we have got 54.6. This is not an integer value. So that's why here, as n is not a positive integer, we can say that the term minus 150 is not belongs to arithmetic progression, or minus 150 is not a term of arithmetic progression. Thanks for watching.